The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lauderdale, Alabama, Limestone in Alabama until about 6:30 p.m. This storm is capable of producing hail and damaging winds around 60 miles per hour, moving northwest at approximately 15 miles per hour. Get inside now. Move away from windows and bring in any outdoor items. Stay weather aware. Heads up, new severe thunderstorm warning issued for Limestone. Severe thunderstorm warning for Lauderdale, Limestone. Severe thunderstorm watch for Colbert, Cullman, DeKalb, Franklin, Jackson, Lauderdale, Lawrence, Limestone, Lincoln, Madison, Marshall, Moore, Morgan. Approximately 103,000 people